Hello everybody. Today we're going to be looking at the Go Maths Student Journal for the Australian Curriculum Edition, Grade 4. And we are looking at Unit 3.2, which is on reading temperature on a scale. Now I'm going to start by doing this section because we're colouring in these thermometers to show the temperatures. So I'll show you how to actually put the temperature on the thermometer, and then I'll go through looking at how you do the difference and rises and falls. So we have our two little thermometers, which are a little bit big. Okay, so when you're reading a temperature, at least when you're looking at the Celsius temperature scale, you've got the temperature here. The little circle here means degrees, and the C stands for Celsius. There are other units of measure, like in America they read it by Fahrenheit. We read it as Celsius. Which are two totally different scales. There are other scales for doing temperature measurement, but that's not what we're looking at. We're looking at reading a thermometer and having a 2-year-old in the background throwing toys. So I hope that doesn't cause a problem for anybody. And if it does, well, sorry. So the first temperature is 15 degrees. So we look at the scale and we're going to be going up the scale. So we've got 0, 5, 10, 15, so the first temperature was 15, so we draw a line there. Now you guys can fully colour it in if you wish to. I'm just going to draw some lines on it. So that would be 15 degrees. And then if we're doing 30 degrees, we look up the scale again. We've got 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we draw our line there and then colour in that section. Now if Mum and Dad have got a thermometer around the house, you'll be able to read it, won't you? Because this says it's 30 degrees and this one says it's 15 degrees. So now we're going to look at it and go, what's the first question in our work? The first question asks about the difference between two temperatures, so we'll look at that. So we've got 15 degrees and 30 degrees. So the other one's up to 30 degrees. So how much distance is there between here and here? So we'll look at it and go 5, 10, 15. So there is 15, sorry my pen's not really working very well, degrees difference in Celsius. Okay, so that's the first question. The next question deals with if temperature rises or temperature falls. So let's look at that now. So let's look at, say, increasing the 15 degrees by 10 degrees. So that would be 5, 10. So the new temperature would be here. So colour that in. So that would make that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Or you could look at here and go, that's 20 degrees. And it's halfway, so that's 25. So the 15 degrees Celsius plus 10 degrees Celsius equals 25 degrees Celsius. And if we were to look at the 30 degrees Celsius and say it went down by 15 degrees. So we'd come 5, 10, 15, and it would drop down to here. So you could either cross that out or just rub it out. So that is 30 degrees Celsius minus 15 degrees Celsius equals 15 degrees Celsius. So we can do another example of, so we want to rise the temperature again. Say, because we've got this one that's sitting at 25 degrees, maybe it goes up by another 10 degrees. So you'd write it down as 25 degrees Celsius plus 10 degrees Celsius, which makes it a bit of a hot summer's day. So we add on 10, 1, 5, 10, and brings it up to there. and that is 35 degrees Celsius. So you're right, 35 degrees Celsius. So I hope that helps, and hope you have a great day. Bless you.